Making a sale is fantastic, but until that invoice is actually paid, it's money sitting out on the table. To manage your incoming cash flow efficiently, you have to stay on top of your accounts receivable, which tracks exactly how much your customers currently owe you. Instead of constantly digging through aging summary ledgers, you can build a live visual graph right on your main cockpit. Today, I'm going to show you how to design and add a dedicated accounts receivable chart straight to your Performance Center interface. Let's jump right in. To find your visual tracking workspace, look over at your left-hand navigation bar and click directly on the main Reports menu. From there, head straight into your Custom Reports tab at the top, scroll down through your available modules, and select Performance Center to pull up your Graphics Hub. Once your Visualization Hub loads, head over to the top right header area of the grid and click the green Add Chart button. This initializes our configuration wizard where we can select our core KPI target from scratch. QuickBooks gives you a complete library of data source templates to choose from, like expenses, revenue, and gross profit. Because we want to monitor our unpaid invoices today, go ahead and select the Accounts Receivable template card layout, click to highlight it, and hit Continue. Now you're inside your design workstation. Right at the top, you can select your visual layout style, toggling between crisp vertical bars to easily stack up your outstanding payment buckets month by month, or a continuous trend line to watch your collections momentum. Over on the left-hand pane under the Customize section, let's lock in our formatting fields. Click into the name box and give your chart a clean title, like Accounts Receivable Balances. Right below that, use the Time Period dropdown to select your timeline tracking baseline. We'll set ours to this year to date. Once your layout filters look exactly the way you want them, slide down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the bright green Add to Dashboard button. The customization panel snaps shut, and your beautiful new Live Updating Accounts Receivable widget is officially pinned onto your main cockpit. Now you can check your real-time outstanding collections and track your invoice open balances every single time you open up your books. If this quick charting setup guide simplified your visual dashboard layout today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.